So we've cast it on, we're ready to do our knit stitch. So this is probably the simplest stitch that you will do in your whole knitting project, and a lot of people only do this stitch. So I'll show you what to do. You want to take your working needle, go behind the left needle like you've been doing the cast on, wrap the needle around and pull through. Instead of twisting like you did to cast on, you just slide this last stitch off and let it drop. So if you can cast on, you can definitely knit, and you work all the way down your line until you complete the row. So I'm just going in behind the left needle, wrapping the yarn around and pulling through. And I have found it's good to have a good hold on the yarn. I like to use these fingers. Other people do different things. You'll find what works best for you. But you want to have some type of grip on this yarn as you're working. So continue, just keep going through. Each loop wrapping around, pulling a new loop through and dropping. So going through, wrapping around, pulling through and dropping. And so if you continue to just do the knit stitch from row to row, you will end up with what's called a garter stitch, which looks like a bunch of knots on either side, which is pretty. But if you want to have the braided design that we're most familiar with, then you want to purl on your next row. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to purl.